Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to print plane tickets from Priceline. Okay, now to go ahead and do this, first you need to go to Priceline.com, select Find My Trip. Okay, Find My Trip at the top of the page, and then you go ahead and enter your email address and phone number that will be associated, okay, with your booking. So here you can enter your email address, phone number that's associated with your booking, and then you want to go ahead and click on Find My Trip. That'll be located here. So just go ahead and click on that. And all you need to do, guys, after this is you will get your booking details, right? Your trip information. You'll be able to view and locate your itinerary, and then you can go ahead and download that and print that from your browser. Very easy and simple, okay? So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.